possibly the hardest question I've seen on these papers. Here's a sketch of a curve y equals sine of x plus a in brackets plus b outside the brackets. Given that it's between 0 and 360, find the value of a and the value of b. To do this question, I don't have a hope unless I actually start off drawing what the sine curve should look like. This cos curve looks like a C, sine curve looks a bit like an S if you use your imagination, and it's always the 90 times table, so that's going to be 90, 180, 270, 360. And sine goes from 1 down to -1 with an amplitude of 2, the height of 2. Let's deal with the outside bit first of all. I always think when it's outside, it does what you expect. We are jumping up and down in joy, so we're thinking a plus b would move the graph up. This is sine. Sine normally goes from 1 to -1. It looks like this one goes from 0 down to -2. So it looks like the entire graph has been shifted down 1 unit. And to shift it down a unit, it's exactly what you'd expect. Sine of x, don't know about the a yet, -1. Now we've got to deal with the inside bit. Inside never does what you expect it to do. It's going left and right. I'm not happy because it does not do what I expect. Now it looks to me like sine normally starts at 0 and goes up to 90. It looks to me like this graph starts at 270. That's when it would actually start here, and it would start going up, then down, etc. So it looks to me like the whole graph has been shifted to the right 270 degrees. If you imagine this graph shifting left 270, we'd be absolutely fine. Now, to shift a graph to the right 270, we'd expect it to be plus 270, but it's never what you expect. It's always the opposite, so we'll go x of minus 270. So, the answer to the question A is, very strangely, minus 270. There is another answer you could be allowed there. You could be allowed positive 90. And B is -1.